मित्रांनो, मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघितलं होतं प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल फ्रॉम अल्कीन. तर त्यामध्ये एक मेथड बघितली होती आपण, हायड्रेशन ऑफ इथिन. त्याचं मेकॅनिझम पण आपण पाहिलं होतं. पण आज त्याच पद्धतीचे आणखी एक दोन आपण रिएक्शन त्या ठिकाणी पाहणार आहोत प्रिपरेशन मध्ये. तर आता हायड्रेशन ऑफ इथिन प्रिव्हियस लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बघितलं, त्याचं मेकॅनिझम पण पाहिलं. आज आपण हायड्रेशन ऍसिड कॅटलाइज हायड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कीन फॉर अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन त्याचं एखाद दोन एक्झाम्पल पाहू. त्यामध्ये मी आता घेतोय CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2. दिस इज अवर अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन. Okay, now here what happens? There is a formation of CH3 CH OSO3H. Again CH3. As per our Marconi-Cross rule, what about Marconi-Cross rule? When unsymmetrical alkene react with unsymmetrical reagent, then the negative part of the reagent goes to that carbon which consists less number of hydrogen. Here, from this sulfuric acid OSO3H part is goes to this carbon which have less number of hydrogen, and remaining hydrogen goes to this carbon. Okay, isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Now CH3 CH OSO3H. Again CH3, it reacted with water molecule. Then what about formation of CH3 CH OH CH3 plus H2SO4. Okay, in this way prop 1ENE is on reacted with sulfuric acid. First it gives isopropyl hydrogen sulfate, then it combines with water molecule, then it gives our isopropyl alcohol. Okay, हे एक्झाम्पल त्यामध्ये आपल्याला एक इन्क्लूड करता येईल. Then we comes on next preparation, that is preparation of alcohol from alkene by hydroboration oxidation method, that is our HBO method. Hydroboration oxidation. This reaction is also included in 11th standard. This reaction is useful for the preparation of primary alcohol from alkene. Alkenes are converted into primary alcohol. बेसिकली या तिन्ही स्टेप एक वन टाइम पण आपल्याला लिहिता येईल, पण मी तुम्हाला डिटेल्स या ठिकाणी सांगायला प्रयत्न करतो. हाऊ दिस हायड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सिडेशन इज कॅरिड आउट. दिस रिएक्शन इज कॅरिड आउट एज पर अवर anti-Marconic. Here we also use peroxide like this. Now this CH2 double bond CH2 is reacted with diborane BH2. This reaction is carried out in the presence of THEF, tetrahydrofuran. Okay, now this hydrogen atom goes to this carbon. Detail one by one step आपण या ठिकाणी लिहूया. CH3 CH2 BH2. Okay, this is our first step. Another second molecule of this ethene combines with this. डायरेक्टली आपण 3 मॉलिक्युल्स लिहिले तरी चालतील, परंतु कन्फ्युजन होईल, त्यामुळे वन बाय वन लिहितो, एक्झॅक्टली समजून जाईल. BH2 प्लस CH2 double bond CH2. formation of, again this hydrogen goes to this carbon, formation of diethylborane, CH2, B, again this CH3, CH2 and BH. Now CH3, CH2, BH, CH3, CH2, okay, CH2 double bond CH2, again we take this ethene molecule, formation, another hydrogen atom goes to this CH2 and formation of triethylborane, okay. Now this triethylborane comes in contact with our hydrogen peroxide in the presence of dilute alkali. Here one thing is remember, this triethylborane is reacted with peroxide. Now it can be converted into our alcohol like this. हे स्टेप आता मी या ठिकाणी लिहितोय. हीच स्टेप आता त्यानंतर जी स्टेप या ठिकाणी लिहितोय CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 again CH3 CH2 plus 3 times H2O2. समझ तुम्हाला मी असलेलं in the presence of alkali and OH. Now formation of 3 molecules of CH3 CH2 OH, CH3 CH2 OH, CH3 CH2 OH, CH3 CH2 OH. Independently लिहिण्यापेक्षा मी डायरेक्ट लिहिले आहे 3 times CH3 CH2 OH with elimination of BOH by 3. In this way, this ethene is converted into ethanol. Okay, ethene चं कन्वर्शन आपण केलं आहे इथेनॉल मध्ये. ओके, आलं लक्षात आता. This is about the hydroboration oxidation. This reaction is carried out in the presence of THF. This is one of the most important, and during the addition of this peroxide we use sodium hydroxide. Now another method for the preparation of alcohol, that is reduction of aldehyde as well as ketones. Now here we use catalytic hydration and in some case we use some reducing agents. First we discuss about the reduction of aldehyde as well as ketone. We know very well for the prior definition for the aldehyde, they are the first oxidative product of primary alcohol, we generally say like that. For the preparation of alcohol, here we also require aldehyde, that is our aldehyde. Then for our preparation of secondary alcohol, there we require for ketone. For the preparation of only primary alcohol, we require aldehyde. Now first we make the preparation of primary alcohol from aldehyde by using some catalyst like nickel, platinum or palladium at near about 413 K. Okay. Now here we take some examples. HCHO. This is our formaldehyde. We commonly called formaldehyde. or in case of IUPAC system we called methanal, methanol. Okay. Now is reacted with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst nickel, platinum or palladium at 413 degree Kelvin. Then this CHO is converted into CH2OH. Formation of here CH3OH. That is our methanol. Conversion of methanol from methanol. या टाइपचा क्वेश्चन पण असू शकतो. कन्वर्ट मिथॅनॉल इंटू मिथॅनॉल. ओके. नंतरचं एक्झाम्पल एखादं घेऊया. CH3CHO plus CH. Here again we use catalyst nickel, platinum or palladium at 413 Kelvin. Now formation of CH3CH2OH. Ethanol. Acetaldehyde is reacted with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst nickel, platinum or palladium at 413 degree Kelvin. Formation of ethyl alcohol. Ethanol. Okay. Now another example, CH3 CH2 CH2 CHO. 1 2 3 4. At first position CHO, that is butan 1 Al, butanol. In the presence of nickel at 413 degree Kelvin, the CHO group is converted into CH2OH. Formation of CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. Okay. This is our butanol. Means butan 1OH. अशा प्रकारे आता प्रिपरेशन केलंय आपण. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल फ्रॉम अल्डिहाइड. सेम पॅटर्न आपण प्रिपेअर करूया सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल फ्रॉम कीटोन. ओके. व्हॉट अबाउट कीटोन? द कार्बोनिल कार्बन same or different alkyl groups are attached. Ketone is one of the carbonyl compound. Preparation of ketone. Definition of ketone. It is the first oxidative product of secondary alcohol. This reaction is vice versa. Now, RCOR. This or ketone is on hydrogenation in the presence of catalyst nickel at 413 degree Kelvin. This CO group is converted into CHOH. हा CO जो तो कन्वर्ट करायचा तुम्हाला CHOH मध्ये. Like this. R CHOHR. This is our secondary alcohol. Okay. Ketone is reacts with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst nickel at 430 degree Kelvin. Use our secondary alcohol. एक एग्जांपल बघूया. CH3CO CH3 plus H2 nickel 413 degree Kelvin. Formation of this CO, carbonyl carbon is converted into CHOH like this. CH3, CHOH, CH3. This dimethyl ketone is converted into 2-propanol. This carbonyl carbon is converted into CHOH. This is our propan to ON. This is our dimethyl ketone, or we called 1, 2, 3 2-propanol. Okay. Next example, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3, H2 at 413 degree Kelvin in the presence of nickel. This CO group is again converted into CHOH, CH3, CH2, CHOH and CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our 2-butanone, butan 2-ONE, as well as we called ethyl methyl ketone. This ethyl methyl ketone is reacts with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst nickel at 413 degree Kelvin, gives 2-butanol. That is our butan 2-ONE. Okay. Now, in next video, we explain again next method of preparation of alcohol. Okay. Thank you.